The design looked perfect in Figma, but now it's live and something feels off. Fonts are different, buttons shifted. This is not what you signed off on. DesignQA helps you catch visual bugs fast and gives devs exactly what they need to fix them. Let me show you how it works. To start, open the Chrome extension, click Select Element, select the element that's off, describe the issue, then attach the matching layer from Figma. Once you do that, you can click on Create and copy link. Once the issue is created, you can view it in your browser. And when you're viewing the issue, you will notice that DesignQA took screenshots automatically for both the element in the web page and also the element in the Figma file. And it also highlighted all the discrepancies in styling between the implementation and what was designed in Figma. DesignQA also displays the variables to define fonts or colors. And it will also display design tokens if the designers were using variables or tokens in Figma. Each issue created with DesignQA will include information about the device and the browser used to report that issue. And also, DesignQA will capture a full screenshot of the page with the element that's off highlighted on that screenshot so that the devs can easily find it when they are fixing the issue. Additionally, in DesignQA, you can copy issues as Markdown so that you can paste them in your project management tool like Linear, Jira. And if you use Linear, you can actually send issues directly to Linear using the Linear integration. You just click the button and the issue will be sent to your Linear project. With DesignQA, you can also take a screenshot of a specific area on a web page. You can annotate these screenshots, and of course, you can write a description. As you can see, DesignQA makes reporting and finding visual bugs so fast. The engineers will get full bug reports that includes everything they need to fix these bugs and issues. And as you can see, DesignQA helps you catch visual bugs fast, and it provides your developers with everything they need to fix these bugs. Enjoy using DesignQA. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions for improving the product. I look forward to hearing your feedback and thoughts.